everyone, so today I'm going to show you two very useful functions that you can use to conduct your live lesson. And I'm not going to go through all the basic functions about Zoom because I assume that you have already learned it, or if you don't, then you can go back to my previous video to when I introduce all these basic functions. Okay, and right now you can see that there are three camera filming me because I want to show you one function is to how to put your students into different groups for group tasks, like group discussion during your live lesson. And the function that we're going to use is called the breakout rooms. So I have to have different people to join in my meeting, my Zoom meeting, so that I can assign them to different rooms for group tasks. Okay, breakout rooms, in the breakout rooms. So this is the first function that I want to teach you today, the breakout rooms. And the second function that I want to show you is to share your screen. Yes, you may have learned to share your desktop screen, but today I want to show you how to share your iPad screen, so that for any app that you use to teach normally with your iPad, then you can also use it during your live lesson with Zoom. Okay, and so let's take a look with the breakout rooms now. Once you click breakout rooms, then a little browser will pop up asking you how you want to assign your participants, how many rooms you want to open for your participants, and whether you want them to be randomly put into the rooms, or you manually want to assign them into different rooms. Like for example, if you have 30 students, you want 5 people in one group, so you may want to open 6 breakout rooms for them, so 5 students will be in each room. And you can do it randomly, automatically, or manually. If you do it automatically, then once you click create rooms, then all the students will be automatically assigned to a room like this. Okay, because now we only have 2 participants, so each room I open 2 rooms and each of them will be in each room. And if you don't like it after the adding into the room automatically, then you can actually move them to another room like that. So now you can see that one student is moved to another room. Okay, or if you say, oh, I don't want it to be assigned, I don't want the student to be assigned randomly to the group, because they may originally have their own groups already, and you may do it manually like this. Okay, then you need to click assign, and then you can choose the student into the room like this. Okay, so this is done manually, and once it's done, you can open all rooms. Okay, you can open all rooms, and I can show you. Okay, I can show you. So on my phone, another account notification will pop up and asking whether the students would like to join the breakout room. So once they click join, they will be in the breakout room, while you still remain in the main room. Okay, while you still remain in the main room, because like all of a sudden all the students are gone. Now it's like just me in the big classroom right now, because they're all in their own breakout session. So I can show you, and there's actually a little button at the corner. You may not be able to see it clearly. There's a little button, a blue button. It's called the ask for help button. So your student can actually ask for help while they're in the breakout room, because you're not with them, right? So once they click ask for help, then they will invite help, and then this message will pop up to you, and then asking you to join their breakout rooms. You click OK, confirm, then you will join the breakout rooms to answer the question. So now I'm in the breakout room, answer the question, and assume that I need to right now I'm in room 1, and then there are some other students in other rooms, and you want to give them a message. All you need to do is just chat, and then you type something here. You type something on the side like this. Okay, for example, 5 minutes left. Okay, and then the message will be broadcast to everyone in their screen. So when they finish their meeting, all they need to do is just click the button leave button, the red button here, leave, and then the student will go back to their main session. Yeah, and then they can return back to the main session. So here I should have all the people. Okay, I close it first, and I need to go back. I need to leave my breakout rooms too. So return to the main section, and then so everyone, including teacher, can go back to the main section like this, and then you can continue with your live lesson. So this is breakout rooms. All right. So one more function that I want to teach you is to use your iPad to teach, and all you need to do is just click share screen, and then you click iPhone, iPads. Okay, there's a plugin required, so you just need to install it for the first time, and then afterwards, you simply need to click that iPad that you can share screens, and it will teach you how to connect your iPad with your desktop. Right now, you have to be in the same Wi-Fi network, and then go to screen mirroring and find the word Zoom Jenny Learn, and then you'll see. So this is my iPad. Alright, so you can see my iPad immediately. This is how I share a screen. So you can see that on one side all the students are here while your iPad is here, and once you have your iPad, basically you can use any tools that you like to teach. For example, this is my keynote. Okay everyone, I'm going to talk about different types of analysis for films, and then you can go through the slide like this, or if you don't like, you can use school notes. Okay, now I'm going to talk about Selfish Giants. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, you can use any tool on your iPad to teach, and if you have your pen, of course, you can write on it immediately, such as okay, at this point, highlight it, blah blah blah. Okay, and so you can see that I write and talk and speak at the same time, and yeah, so this is how you can teach with your iPad. Okay. Now I just need to click stop sharing, and then we'll go back to the room, original room. So you may ask, okay, who can open the breakout rooms? Of course, it's the host who has the right to open breakout rooms. So technically, if you're the teacher, you can open breakout rooms, and the students, they cannot, because they're not the host. And if you may say, I cannot find the button, breakout rooms button, like I do, because the first thing that you need to do is to go to setting. Okay, you need to go to setting and then scroll down until the bottom. Let me see, somewhere here. Sorry, there are a lot of options. Yes, in meeting advanced, then you can see breakout room. Allow host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling or all other functions. You need to turn this on first. Once you turn this on, it's saved in your account. Then when you open your Zoom again, then you can find this function. So that's it. This is what I want to teach you today. The first thing is to open breakout rooms for kids to do group discussion during a live lesson, and also the second thing is to share your iPad screen so that you can teach with your iPad. I hope you this video can help you a little bit with your live lesson and make it more interactive, and give you more variety to teach. And if you have any questions, feel free to find me. Okay, bye.